Hello viewers, in this tutorial I am going to share with you how to fix Facebook friend request and error has occurred. Now solve this problem. First go to your settings, click on settings, now scroll down. Click on apps, then click on search bar, search Facebook. Click on Facebook. Now scroll down, click on storage, then click on clear cache. Now back, click on permissions, enable all permissions. Now back, click on force stop, click on OK, then back. Now you can go your Play Store, click on search, check update your Facebook. My Facebook is already updated. Then back. Click on this icon, click on power off, and then now click on power on, then go to your Facebook account. After completing all tips, helpful solve your problem. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.